give a quick tour of my micro production facility in my basement. So over here we have three 300 by 300 by 400 3D printers. These are all making items for eBay right now. So like this first item is a Ryobi drill holder. That's a sparkly silver. Then the next one is making the same item but in sparkly galaxy purple. This one actually just finished making a face shield for medical staff. And these will all be set up to run off a Raspberry Pi. Currently I only have the first one set up, so there's the screen. Then I have another printer over here that is running TPU parts. It'll look like that when they're done. This is a computer that's going to monitor the Raspberry Pi connection. So that first printer is Xylotech, and I can control like temperatures, speeds, fan speeds, start and stop prints. I can send files directly to the printer from the desk, which is nice. Over here is another printer that I use for multicolor printing. It uses this device called the palette. You can print up to 4 different colors at a time. It splices them together. So this one is making like a front end loader for Cosmo the robot. It's kind of hard to see, but it's black and green. You can kind of see it right there. There's another printer here. Over here I have some face shields in process. And I have some laser cut items up here. Over here is some product that's ready to be shipped out. And then over here is the bulk of the items I'm selling on eBay. I think I have close to 60 items now for sale. And then this is my material storage area. So yeah, that's it. That's my micro production facility in my basement.